Hello, in front of me I've got TCL Tab 10S. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tap More and go to Settings. Enter Google Assistant, go to Voice Match and enable Hey Google function. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. OK Google. Sometimes we have to retrain the voice model. OK Google. OK Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Now let's try it out again. OK Google. Okay, now that we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled. Now we can simply lock the screen and say, OK Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Krakow, it'll be sunny, with a high of 33 and a low of 16.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.